Shape theory. Whoa! Down, boy! Art equals visual communication. I know you didn't need me to read that for you in order to know what it says. The shapes of the letters in the equal sign communicated this to you almost instantly when you saw them. And since art has been around for a while, artists and other professionals have had a long time to figure out how things work with shape and what various types of shapes communicate to people when they see them. People are different from each other, and some people may not react in the exact same way to certain shapes as most people do. Because of this, we don't call these ideas about shapes facts. Instead, we call the entire group of ideas a theory. In this case, shape theory. Let's take a look at three basic shapes: a triangle, circle, and a square. Now, which one of these three shapes do you feel is most likely to harm you? If you said triangle, you're right. Triangles often communicate harm, danger, or a sense of alert. Let's take a look at how our professionals at Disney Animated Studios use triangles to communicate. I bet you've seen this guy before. Does he make you feel a little on edge? He definitely doesn't seem like a cuddly character. That's because he's made up of mostly triangular shapes. Where do you see shapes like this in real life? Arrows? Thorns? Spikes? Knives? A lot of dangerous objects that you should be cautious around. Let's see how this guy's personality matches up.
The Royal Vizier, Jafar, he's delighted too.
Ecstatic. I think it's time to say goodbye to Prince Abubu.
Let's take a look at our shapes again. We've already decided which one is most dangerous. What about the opposite? Which one of these shapes is least likely to hurt you? If you said circle, you're right. Circles often communicate harmlessness, softness, and friendliness. Let's take a look at how shapes can have an effect on us from real life. Normally, if you saw a cheetah in person, you'd be frightened. The triangular shapes on its head and face would tell you to be alert and that you should be cautious because this animal is dangerous.
No match for the raw speed of the magnificent cheetah.
Now let's put our knowledge about circles to use. Seems quite harmless now. That's the power of communicating with shapes. Let's look at our shapes again. There's one left, the square. Let's look at how our professionals use the square to communicate. And how are the professionals using it to communicate and support the personalities of these characters? Square shapes often communicate strength, stability, and safety.
He's gonna kiss you in the driveway. Oh, great.
So next time you're out and about or wanting to communicate visually through creating a piece of art, remember, shapes have a lot of power because they communicate. Whether you like it or not, they're always saying something. That's the power of shapes. That's shape theory.